Traveling on a budget but still want smart, useful gear? You don't need expensive gadgets to travel better. Today, we're checking out the top 20 travel gadgets under $30 on Amazon. Compact, practical finds that make trips smoother, more comfortable, and way less stressful. Stick around, because some of these budget-friendly gadgets can seriously upgrade the way you travel without costing much at all. Number 1. Angemay Airplane Footrest Hammock. Make long flights more comfortable with the Angemay Airplane Footrest Hammock. This lightweight, adjustable footrest easily attaches to the tray table, allowing you to elevate your feet and reduce leg fatigue during travel. Ideal for economy class, it improves circulation and helps prevent stiffness on long journeys. Compact and easy to pack, it's perfect for flights, buses, or trains. A simple yet effective solution for travelers who want better comfort, posture, and relaxation while sitting for extended periods. Number 2. Forge TS-A Cable Locks 4-pack. Secure your luggage with confidence using Forge TS-A cable locks. Designed with TSA approved access, these durable cable locks protect suitcases, backpacks, and travel bags while allowing airport security inspections without damage. Flexible steel cables fit various zipper types, and easy-to-read number dials simplify use. Ideal for frequent travelers, these locks provide peace of mind against tampering or theft. Lightweight, reliable, and reusable, they are an essential travel accessory for keeping belongings safe during flights, hotel stays, and transit. Number 3. GOBAGS Clear Travel Pouches 4-pack. Organize your essentials effortlessly with GOBAGS Clear Travel Pouches. Made from durable, transparent material, these pouches allow quick identification of toiletries, cosmetics, or travel accessories. TSA-friendly sizing helps speed up airport security checks. The waterproof design protects items from spills, while sturdy zippers ensure long-term use. Ideal for carry-ons, backpacks, or gym bags, this 4-pack offers versatile storage for stress-free travel organization, practical, reusable, and compact for any trip. Number 4. JefDiee Inflatable Travel Pillow. Gray. Enjoy better sleep on the go with the JefDiee Inflatable Travel Pillow. Designed for ergonomic neck and chin support, it prevents head drop and reduces strain during flights or car rides. Easily inflatable and deflatable, it packs down small to save space. Soft fabric ensures comfort, while the adjustable design fits various sleeping positions. Ideal for long flights, buses, or trains, this pillow is a smart choice for travelers seeking portable comfort and improved rest while traveling. Number 5. Exluvon Refrigerator Deodorizer 10-year. Keep your refrigerator odor-free with the Exluvon Refrigerator Deodorizer. Designed to last up to 10 years, it effectively neutralizes food odors without chemicals, fragrances, or maintenance. Safe for food storage areas, it helps keep your fridge fresh and clean naturally. Compact and easy to place, it's perfect for refrigerators, freezers, or coolers. Ideal for households and travelers using RVs, this eco-friendly solution ensures long-lasting freshness with zero hassle. Number 6. ORIENT FAMULAY Electronics Organizer Bag. Stay organized while traveling with the ORIENT FAMULAY Electronics Organizer Bag. Featuring multiple compartments and elastic loops, it securely stores cables, chargers, power banks, earbuds, and small gadgets. Compact, yet spacious, it fits easily into backpacks or carry-ons. Durable material protects electronics from damage and tangling. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or daily use, this organizer keeps all your tech accessories accessible, neat, and travel-ready at all times. Number 7. This Hill Car Cup Holder Tray. Turn your car cup holder into a mini table with the This Hill Car Cup Holder Tray. Designed to hold food, drinks, phones, or small items, it's perfect for road trips, commuting, or mobile work. Easy to install and adjust, it fits most car cup holders securely. Sturdy construction ensures stability while driving. A practical solution for eating, organizing, or working on the go, this tray enhances convenience and functionality inside your vehicle. Number 8. spAIRtray Airplane Window Shelf. Maximize airplane window space with the spAIRtray Airplane Window Shelf. This lightweight tray attaches easily to airplane windows, providing a stable surface for phones, snacks, drinks, or small items. Ideal for window seat travelers, it frees up tray table space and improves comfort. Compact and travel-friendly, it installs and removes quickly without tools. Perfect for flights, it adds convenience and organization, making long journeys more comfortable and enjoyable. Number 9. Sunany Inflatable Travel Neck Pillow. Relax during travel with the Sunany Inflatable Travel Neck Pillow. Designed to support the neck and head from multiple angles, it reduces stiffness and improves sleep quality. Easily inflatable and adjustable, it adapts to different comfort needs. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into carry-ons or backpacks. Ideal for flights, trains, or long drives, this pillow offers practical comfort and portability for travelers who want better rest on the go. Number 10. BAGSMART Travel Cable Organizer Bag. Keep cables and accessories neatly arranged with the BAGSMART Travel Cable Organizer Bag. Featuring structured compartments and elastic straps, it prevents tangles and protects electronics. Compact design fits easily into luggage or backpacks, making it ideal for travel or daily use. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Perfect for organizing chargers, power banks, earbuds, and adapters, this bag saves time and reduces clutter, helping travelers stay efficient and organized wherever they go. Number 11. Tube Stuffable Travel Neck Pillow. Customize your comfort with the Tube Stuffable Travel Neck Pillow. Unlike traditional pillows, it allows you to fill it with clothes or soft items, saving luggage space while providing personalized support. Soft outer fabric ensures comfort, while the adjustable firmness suits different preferences. Ideal for flights, road trips, or camping, this innovative pillow combines comfort and packing efficiency, making it a smart solution for minimalist and frequent travelers alike. Number 12. Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder Mount. Enjoy hands-free entertainment with the Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder Mount. Easily attaches to airplane tray tables, luggage handles, or desks, holding your phone at the perfect viewing angle. Compatible with most smartphones, it's ideal for watching movies, video calls, or reading. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in travel bags. A must-have accessory for frequent flyers, it enhances comfort and convenience during flights and travel downtime. Number 13. iOttie Trekker Magnetic Airplane Phone Holder. Secure your phone effortlessly with the iOttie Trekker Magnetic Airplane Phone Holder. Strong magnetic grip keeps your device stable while allowing easy attachment and removal. Designed for airplane tray tables and travel surfaces, it provides adjustable viewing angles for comfort. Compact and travel-friendly, it's ideal for watching videos or using navigation apps hands-free. A reliable, modern solution for travelers seeking convenience, stability, and flexibility during flights and journeys. Number 14. SOMINE Airplane Pocket Organizer. Stay organized in flight with the SOMINE Airplane Pocket Organizer. Designed to hang from tray tables, it stores phones, tablets, books, snacks, and accessories within easy reach. Keeps items off dirty seatback pockets, improving hygiene and convenience. Lightweight and foldable, it packs easily into carry-ons. Ideal for long flights, families, and frequent travelers, this organizer reduces clutter and enhances comfort during air travel. Number 15. 4 Monster Microfiber Travel Towel. Rose dry quickly and pack light with the 4 Monster Microfiber Travel Towel. Ultra absorbent and fast drying, it's perfect for travel, gym, beach, or camping use. Lightweight and compact, it takes up minimal space in luggage. Soft texture ensures comfort on skin, while durable stitching supports repeated use. Ideal for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, this towel offers practicality, hygiene, and portability without sacrificing performance. Number 16. Shack 5-Piece Packing Cube Set. Black organized luggage efficiently with the Shack 5-Piece Packing Cube Set. Designed to separate clothing, accessories, and essentials, these cubes maximize space and reduce packing stress. Lightweight yet durable, they fit perfectly into suitcases and backpacks. Mesh panels allow visibility and ventilation. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or frequent travelers, this set keeps belongings tidy, accessible, and well organized throughout your journey. Number 17. Essential Travel Vacuum Bags with Electric Pump. 8-pack save luggage space with Essential Travel Vacuum Bags. Designed to compress clothing efficiently, they reduce bulk and maximize packing capacity. Includes an electric pump for quick, effortless air removal. Durable and reusable, these bags protect clothes from moisture, dust, and odors. Ideal for long trips, seasonal travel, or family vacations, they help travelers pack smarter while keeping items clean, compact, and organized. Number 18. MKPCW Travel Makeup Bag with Dividers. White marble organized cosmetics neatly with the MKPCW Travel Makeup Bag. Featuring adjustable dividers, it securely stores makeup, brushes, and skincare products. Stylish white marble design adds elegance, while durable materials protect contents from spills. Compact yet spacious, it fits easily into luggage. Ideal for travel or daily use, this bag keeps beauty essentials organized, accessible, and protected wherever you go. Number 19. Co-Idea Clear Travel Shoe Bags 5-pack. Keep shoes separated and clean with Co-Idea Clear Travel Shoe Bags. Made from durable, transparent material, they allow easy identification while protecting clothes from dirt. Lightweight and reusable, these bags fit most shoe sizes and pack neatly into luggage. Ideal for travel, gym, or storage, they help maintain hygiene and organization. A practical solution for travelers who want cleaner, better organized packing. Number 20. ZHCHG Luggage Cup Holder Attachment Black Travel. Hands-free with the ZHCHG Luggage Cup Holder Attachment. Easily attaches to suitcase handles, holding drinks, bottles, or cups securely while moving through airports. Durable and flexible design fits most luggage styles. Ideal for travelers juggling bags, phones, or kids, it reduces spills and improves convenience. Compact and lightweight, this accessory adds practical functionality to your luggage for smoother, stress-free travel. That's a wrap on top 20 travel gadgets under $30 on Amazon. Affordable, compact, and incredibly useful, these gadgets make every trip easier and smarter. Don't wait, grab your favorites before they sell out. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell for more travel finds.